Welcome back. Today, we'll create this adorable and easy Halloween-themed painting on canvas using acrylic. This tutorial is brought to you by Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful painting content. Hit the bell icon when subscribing to be notified of our upcoming videos. Check out the description below to read this project's materials and color list. If you would like more time to work on any portion of this painting, feel free to rewatch pieces of this video and pause where necessary. Take out a few drops of Phthalo Blue, Cobalt Blue, and white paints on the canvas portion and blend them with a wet flat brush to make a background night sky. Begin by blending blue at the top and follow what is shown here moving forward. Use side-to-side horizontal brush strokes to blend these colors, as shown here. It's okay if things get messy, use a circular motion when necessary. You can apply the paint colors neatly as shown here, or freestyle these colors as you wish. Just be sure to blend these colors in the same way and meet the top and bottom. Add darker shades to the edges and make the middle portion relatively lighter. This will help to create an effect. Blend these colors in a circular motion. Remember to keep the center portion lighter and the outer aspects of the canvas darker. Allow this background to dry. As shown here, clean your flat brush, apply white paint to the brush, and sprinkle it on the canvas to make stars using your fingers. Paint a full white moon with a liner brush. Gradually add white and a little lemon yellow and mix both colors. If the colors are mixing with your moon's white color, let the background dry for longer. After painting the background sky with a full moon, start making the tree using black color with a flat brush. Make random branches, some longer and some shorter. To make a grave under a tree, take out yellow ochre and make a simple gravestone shape. Add a touch of brown at one corner to make it look 3D. Outline the grave with a darker shade. Take a detailing brush and draw slash paint bats. Add details in the lower portion by adding grass with a flat rough bristle brush in shades of light green and dark sap green. Finally, add more details to the grass by adding light green grass in the foreground. If you need to learn how to paint grass, please check out the description below to see our quick and easy grass painting technique video. Take out white paint, make a Halloween ghost with a liner brush, and make eyes and a mouth using black. Follow our lead to create 2 friendly Halloween ghosts around the gravestone. Remember, each painting is a learning experience, and your style will develop as you continue to create. Have fun and enjoy the journey of bringing your artistic vision to life. Take your time to add any last details and rewatch any part of the video as needed. Great work! We hope you enjoyed painting this Halloween-themed acrylic artwork. Like this video if you had fun, and subscribe to this channel for more painting content. See you next time! Expand your acrylic painting skills by taking one of our free guided courses at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.